it's Kristen from Critters Ramblings, and this is Across My Doorstep. So I'm going to share with you what I received over the last 2 weeks. It's quite a few, and it's actually Friday night. I'm going to post this on Sunday, but I am busy tomorrow. I'm headed to Richmond to see one of my best friends and her little girl. So I have to shoot this tonight so I can share it to you on Sunday as I drive back. So let me share what I got over the last 2 weeks. So the first two I purchased a copy of Rules of Civility by Amor. I'm not even gonna try. This is for my book club at One More Page Bookstore. We'll be reading this for December. So I'm excited. I got a copy. And then I also got a copy of Young House Love by Sherry and John Petersick, and I am going to their book signing on the 28th in DC with my mom and sister. My sister is a mommy crafty blogger and my mom's a blogger, so all three of us are going and it's going to be a ton of fun. So I bought this ahead of time and I've been all through it and I absolutely love it. So I'm so excited. And then the next I'll show are the ones I got off the swap sites. I got Sorcery and the Single Girl by Mindy Klasky. And then I also got Girl's Guide to Witchcraft by Mindy Klasky. So those are really good red dress inks. And this is another red dress ink, Hand Me Down by Lee Nichols. So that one. And then I got, when I went to Second and Charles, my mom, I got a book by this author, and so then I went on swap and I got this other one. It's The Tiny One by Eliza Minogue. Looks really good. And then every once in a while I get into like a short story kind of. My attention span is short, so I like to collect short story books for those times. So I've been wanting this book for a long time, American Girls About Town. And it's got Jennifer Weiner, Lauren Weisberger, Adriana Trigiani, and then a whole slew on the back. Melissa Sennett, Sarah Milanowski, Laura Wolf, Chris Manby. Anyways, long list. So I'm really excited about this one. So that will be when my attention span gets a little bit on the shorter side of things. And then at book club, so I had book club election night at One More Page, and Jen from Jen's Bookshelves every once in a while brings books that she's gotten for review that she's either read or didn't read, and we get to go through them, and it is a ton of fun. Usually I only pick up one because clearly I get enough of my own, but I grabbed 4. It was like I think there were probably 3 more that I could have grabbed, but I was trying to limit myself. So I got The Secrets of Mary Bowser. Bowser. Looks really good. It's Civil War, which I every once in a while hinder on the historical fiction, but it looked really good. And then I got The Roots of the Olive Tree, which sounded so good. It sounded like a family, and I got married at a vineyard, so I thought it'd be really fun to read. So I'm really excited about that. And then Surprised by Oxford. Every once in a while I really enjoy some London, and then every once in a while I can't stand it. So I grabbed this one hoping that I'm really going to find a time that I really, really like it and I want to read it. And then this one looked creepy and Jen said she loved the author, so I grabbed it. It's Only One Life by Sarah Bladell. So, and I think there are quite a few more by Sarah Bladell. So if you've read her before, let me know which one you really like, because I'm excited to read this one and then go find some more of her stuff. And then the ones I got for review, which were quite interesting because there were none that one I'm on tour for, and the other 2 I had no idea they were coming. So that was kind of exciting. So the books they gave me, and this is so cute. It's like got books, like I've heard it's like the gift for book lovers. So I'm really excited to read it and then maybe pass it on to one of my book lovey friends. It looks really good. And then this one, which then I just found out that I also got a copy of BEA. So I didn't know that I got a copy of it BEA when I got in the mail this week. I was like, ooh, I've been seeing it all over the place. I want to read it. Brain on Fire by Susanna Callahan. It sounds really good. I'm so excited about it. And I didn't know I already had a copy. So when I got this finished copy, I kind of was excited. And then I thought, I've had this book all along. I could have read this months ago. But anyways, I've got a finished copy. And this is the one I knew I'm on tour for. And I believe this is short stories also. It's called Dancing at Shame Prom. And it looks really funny. Yeah, I think it's stories. Yeah, I'm really excited about it. It looks really funny and really cute. And I think I have a guest post from one of the contributors, I think. I should have a guest post coming up. So, I believe it's early December. So that is what I got over the last 2 weeks. It was quite the haul across my doorstep. Hopefully it won't be another 2 weeks until you see me again. Every week's a different week on the job and at the house. So, yeah. Happy reading. Let me know what you received. And if you've read any of what I received, let me know what you thought. And have a good weekend.